people what we just listened to in the car.
Sabrina Carpenter's new album.
How was it, Ma?
It was great.
It was amazing. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. All right, we're downtown Denver.
And Denver? Okay. Want to do a replay? Take two. Let's do a take two. Take two. We're downtown Los Angeles.
It's my first time in front of a camera. I got nervous. So we're downtown LA, and we're about to go get a coffee. We made it to Starbucks. All right, here we are. Sabrina.
Oh, this is her dress, you mean, right?
Alright, take two. This is Sabrina's dress that she performed in the Grammys this year. It's your boy Michael, man. Go, man. Hey, oh, yeah. Go, yeah. Hey, my name is Bri Galarza. Bri Galarza. Hey, I can rap. Forever be Staples Center.
Yeah, I still call it Staples Center.
Me too. None of this crypto crap. Matt, where are the Caitlyn jerseys?
You ask and sparks territory.
Be like, hi, can I see? Oh my god, why do I want to get this for Jake? Wait, how much is this? What do you think of the seats?
Love it. Never been this close.
Journals. I'm big into journaling, so I'm trying to figure out how many I want to bring. And some camera equipment. None of just essential things only. A lot of my cords back there. And yeah, we're packing it up. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Bri. It is 1 o'clock. That's right. The background of my phone is literally, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Gotta stay motivated. All right. Got a package. Oh, snap. This is dope. Let's go. This is freaking amazing. This is a Caitlin Clark freaking jersey. Oh my gosh. I'm putting this on right now. I hope it fits lately. All right. Oh snap, it fits. It fits, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro, it's perfect. Hi, good morning. I keep saying good morning when it's not morning. I'm eating some lunch right now. My lunch is a little fruit salad because I was feeling this from Whole Foods. By the way, the kiwi, fire. Just got done going to the gym and haven't been to the gym all week since I've been sick. My body is shutting down, but it's all right because we're gonna keep pushing through. Yeah, there's a lot that Bri has to get done, so you can't take sick days. We don't do that all week, so I needed to move my body because I promised my coach I would be disciplined in my personal habits because I have a tendency to drop my personal habits, exhibit last 4 days. And yeah, usually I like to start out my morning power hour to myself to do my devotional, my reading my Bible, going for a quick 20-30 minute walk. Yeah, just easing into the day, since I know that the majority of my day is going to be towards work and other people and stuff. But because I was sick, I set my alarm to the latest possible time. So I cut out my personal morning time and I just kept diving into work quickly. And so, but yeah, I need to reset my habits because that's not a good sustainable habit, if you will. So yeah, I went to the gym, did a little push workout. And now I'm eating my little salad. Love that.